This unboxing of OPPO F15. You can see it costs about 22,000 here in India, and it got 48 MPI quad camera processor, OOC flash charge 3.0, in-display fingerprint sensor, full HD AMOLED screen. You can see in-depth review video of this phone in upcoming videos. So it is 8GB and 8GB RAM and 128GB memory phone. You can see this. So it's packed. Let me unbox it. See, so here it contains some paperwork at first only. Here you get the phone cover for your phone and some paperworks. One of the things in this today's era is, in olden days we used to say that the phones which are, here is this much instruction, we used to get a very big instruction for even small phones, but today the time has been changed. Here each and every one of well know that the phone how it works, so no paperwork, simple paperwork. And here is the device itself. You can see that it got 2 SIM and 1 SD card slot, OPPO, 4 quad camera setup. Next is, so here you got OPPO OOC charge. You can see how big is this. Oh man, it's very huge. They said that it will charge your phone in 40 minutes, so it's very great. And here is the USB Type-C cable with USB 3.0. Next is standard Apple lookalike headphones, and nothing in the box. So let me arrange these things. Here is the box, here is the charger, and here is the case, here is the paper charger case, paperwork, SIM ejection tool, and here is the phone. Let me open it. So here you can see, first time opening, you can see a glass background and a metal finish. Here you got volume rockers, here you got unlock button, and oh, my favorite, 3.5mm jack is given, Type-C and speakers. So we will see in further videos in-depth review of this phone. This is F15 unboxing. Thank you. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मेरे इस चैनल को सपोर्ट कीजिए। धन्यवाद।